fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some items from the folks over at Goodfill. Before I jump in, if you could do a couple things for me, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. So Goodfell is a new to me company. They contacted me and asked me if I'd be willing to show you some items. So I picked out some things that I thought were cute, and we're just going to jump in. So let me start. I've got 3 different canvases. Let me start with this one. This one is a partial. Let's see. Ooh, it's one of those nice and thin, easy to roll canvases. Love that. Okay, so we get a standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And of course, it's a special drill kit, so we get all of our little special drills. And we get this cute little bird with all the flowers and the heart. So 30 by 30. So let's measure. Of course, it's a partial, so that's not the actual drill field, but it is 25 by 25. We only have a schematic on one side, but we do have the crystal codes. So you guys may or may not know, all of the rhinestones have their own crystal code. There is a conversion chart that I will try to remember to put a link to in the description down below that I put together that has as many as I could locate of the crystal codes. They're not always exactly perfect for the DMC codes. Of course, there's always slight die lot variations and things, but should be pretty close. So we've got our codes here. We've got 11 drills. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be, and I just liked the purples kind of tones in this one. So let's look at our drills here. Okay, so we've got this kind of pale yellow. Let's see what else we have. We have clear. Is that 2 bags? Nope. Slightly different colors. So we have some kind of those berry pinks. This one's slightly darker than this one. 2 different shades of purple, a dark purple and then a lighter purple. We've got a turquoise color, 2 shades of green, a regular green and then a very light green, a true yellow, and an orange. So I just thought this one was really cute, like I said, with the little bird and then all the kind of flowers and everything. And again, you guys know I love these partials for those days when I just need to feel like I accomplished something. So this little guy was $4.95. So we move that out of the way and open this one. You guys, this one is so cute. Just adorable. Ooh, it's nice and soft too. Random drill. Nice and soft and easy to roll up. I love it when they're like that. Ooh, okay, so standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin, but our drills come in baggies. Look at these cute colors. Okay, so let's look at this little guy. And look, it's like a little yak. It's so cute. I don't think I've ever seen a yak before. And again, some of this is going back to my, teaching preschool, coming up with stuff that is Y words for little kids. We just don't use that many words that begin with Y. Yak is always one of them, but here in America, how often do you see a yak? Unless you've gone to like a petting zoo or this actual zoo or something like that, you haven't seen one. So 30 by 30 is this cute little guy or girl, I don't know. It is 25 by, well, it's 24 and a half. Is it 24 and a half this way? Yeah, 24 and a half by 24 and a half. So just a tad under 25 on both sides. We do get a schematic on both sides, which is good. And we do have our DMC codes, which is good. Always love that. A lot of white in the background, but again, it is that eye symbol that's easy to cover up with your round drills. I don't see anything in here that looks like it's going to give me any issues. And I said that and then wait. Okay, so you've got D's here, and then these are O's. which the D's are slightly darker in color than the O's, but yeah, putting those right next to each other, probably not the greatest plan. So down here in kind of the fur and then up here, you may need a light pad for that. Okay, and let's look at our drills here. Get them out of the bag. Okay, so we have a baby pink, a very dark brown. This is black, a baby blue, a kind of peachy color, a very pale pink, another light blue, a slate blue, a very dark blue, a dark brown. I guess that's more of like a regular brown, a very bright bubblegum pink, a darker brown, and then another darker brown, a peach, a light brown, a very light peach, that's like a caramel mocha color, two different shades of pink. This one is like a pale pink and this is more like a bubblegum pink. And then we have a baby blue and another just like regular brown, and then oof, look at all that white. So again, you know, the whole background is white, so not a surprise that there's that many drills in that color. But yeah, if you're someone who doesn't like having those light backgrounds, which I'm not always a fan of, I'm starting to learn to love them after the September challenge and doing so many with this kind of background. It is easy to multi-place, which makes them go faster, so that part of it is nice. And this cutie pie was $4.95. And then last but not least, let's open this guy. Trying to make sure I don't cut anything important. Okay. Ooh, another very soft canvas. Okay. Easy to roll up. Standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. Here are our drills. And here is, if I can get it unrolled, the canvas. So it is this very cute field of poppies. Now, I got this one because I have small kits that I'm going to be doing for my DP for Vets event in November. I hope you will join me for that. It is patriotic / Remembrance Day / Veterans Day, anything that fits in that theme. So, you know, I know a lot of people, if you don't want to do something that's Veterans Day or Remembrance Day, but you want to do something patriotic for your country, like a flag or something like that, any and all of those are fine. But I wanted something, all of my kits so far for that event are kind of small, so I felt like I wanted to get another kind of small one to do. So this is 30 by 30, and it is these poppies, and it is 24.5 by 24.5. So it has 22 colors. We do get a schematic on both sides, so that's nice. We do get our DMC codes, so love that. And ooh, it actually has the DMC codes on the drill, so that's good. Okay, so it's nice and sticky. Trying to look here and see if I think there's any symbols that are going to give me any issues. I don't see anything. See, D's are green and O's are red, so that shouldn't be an issue. And we have an uppercase B, but it's in black versus there's B's and R's, but they're two different colors. So one is green and one's kind of an olive color, so those will be easy to tell apart. So yeah, that looks good. Let's look at our drills, shall we? Okay. So here for our drills, we have, ooh, that's a very bright orange. We have kind of a sage green. That's like a kind of a very dark olive green, hunter green, another green, a light green, a very dark brown, kind of that watermelon red and kind of that lime. Those are watermelon colors right there, aren't they? That kind of watermelony green with the watermelony red. And what other colors do we have? Ooh, a very, very dark purple, a bright yellow, black, and then we've got, of course, several shades of red. We've got a dark red, a red in the middle, and then kind of an orangey red. We've got another kind of olive green, a big bag of this red, which is my, nope, that's 606. And then we have our Christmas red, which is the 666. Then we've got kind of a peach, a very pale tan, and then two very dark green colors. Two different shades of like a forest green. So that's those colors. And then, oh, we have one loose bag of just regular green. So yeah, super happy with this one. This one looks like it'll be a lot of fun. And because it is a smaller one, I should be able to get it done quickly for the event. Because as usual with my events, my goal is always to do more than one painting if I can. So yeah, this little baby was $5.94. So we have our poppies, we have our cute little baby yak, and we have our pretty butterfly partial. So yeah, this all looks really good to me. Like I said, Goodfill is another one of the new to me companies. So I get to mark that off my list, and I got some cute diamond paintings. So as always, guys, I will put a link in the description box down below so that you can check all of these out for yourself or anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.